Push a button to summon colleagues and the emergency services. Automatically send alarms from dropped, snatched, or stationary mobile devices. Automatically send responders the location with room-level accuracy. Let responders listen in to unfolding emergency situations. These are just some of the ways ASCOM solutions help protect healthcare workers. And it is protection that is badly needed, as attacks on healthcare workers are on the rise. And it's not just nurses and doctors in ERs and psychiatric wards who are at risk. Increasingly, all frontline healthcare workers, cleaners, porters, and clinicians are subject to verbal and physical abuse. But personal and workplace safety systems from ASCOM can help maximize worker safety. ASCOM Solutions for safer workers and safer workplaces.